and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for reconnecting, the ones who are reconnecting with me, and the ones who are new to my channel, welcome. This will be your July 2021 prediction, or like a general guide for my Cancerian friends. Okay, this is going to be just a general reading. We are not gender specific here, so this is going to be finances, health, relationship, and your fortune cookie. We're going to check that as well. Your spirit guide for the month of July, and also we're going to ask angels for a possible help or answer for you. However, prior to that, let's check what is coming up in your fortune cookie. So your fortune cookie talks about care required. I'm going to read that out. Guard yourself against deception and be careful at making foolish mistakes at this time. So stay away from deception. Okay, stay away from things that is going to get you in trouble. Overall, that's the message. Stay away from things that's going to get you in trouble. Okay, and okay, I've pulled up a card for finances. We have the Star card. It's such a beautiful card. Maybe number 17 is significant to some of you. 7 plus 1 is 8. Number 8 could be significant. You have been manifesting. A lot of you have been manifesting finances, wealth, job, career, entrepreneurship, whatever you're manifesting. This is the month for you to start receiving it. Please just do not lose the hope. Stay in balance. Okay, and you will be receiving your wish fulfillment, the manifestation that you've put out there to the universe. You will be receiving that for sure. Okay, in terms of relationship, wow, unity. It's a beautiful card. Number 5 could be significant. Do the right thing. Stand with your person. Stand right by your person, for those who are already in a relationship. Okay, also, for those who are getting married, maybe it's going to be a very traditional marriage. Maybe your parents are going to get you married, or your parents are looking for a significant person for you, a significant partner for you. This will be more of a spiritual connection for you, more of a connection which is a very traditional connection for those who are looking for new. And yeah, that's the kind of relationship for the ones who are new. For the ones who are already in a relationship, just do the right thing by your partner for this month. Okay, do not get into conflicts and things that is not serving you right. In terms of health, please start meditating. Number 5 could be significant, number 14 could be significant. Take care of your health. Get into the meditation form. Seek some sort of significance, blessings from Lord Buddha. Reassess your health. Start eating healthy. You've got the temperance card. Be in balance. The whole thing that it's talking about is stay in balance. Too much of something is not good. Too much of something may not serve you right. So too much of salt is not good. Too much of sugar is not good. Your spirit guide for the month of July, my Cancerian friends, is Master Jesus. Amazing card. I love this card. Work on your throat chakra, work on your communication skills, and start forgiving people. Get into the mode of forgiveness. Okay, you are on the path of light, love, and forgiveness. Father, healing is possible. So healing of yourself and healing of others is imperative in the month of July for you, and Jesus is here to guide you and bless you for the month of July, my Cancerian friends. Okay, and let's see what your angels are telling you. Okay, quick shuffle here. The angels are saying ask help from others. So something that you're not able to resolve on your own, it's okay to ask help. It's okay to reach out to that friend that you have not called ages ago. It's okay. Okay, get out of this mode and ask for help. So that's all that I have for you today, my Cancerian friends. If you need a personal reading, get in touch with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com or Perea Sherry at yahoo.co.in. DM me on Instagram. I go by the name Luminous Guide. And also, do not forget to share this video, like, share, and comment. Please do comment. Okay, I love you all. Goodbye.